collect those documents and send them back to the lender. You also
Alright, so your package is going to come with 9 different items inside of the box. First of all, you're going to start off with your user manual that you have here, along as well with your safety guidelines certification. Highly recommend you go through all of those informations. You're going to have your dock base, which is sitting right here, which we'll go over installation in a little bit. You're going to have 2 mop cloths that are washable, machine washable. And then you're going to also have a complimentary disposable dust bag. You will also have a robot, obviously, your vacuum, your power cord, which will plug into the cleaning tank. You have your entire cleaning tank here, which is one whole unit that comprises the docking station, the cleaning tank, the empty fills of the water and the dust. And then lastly, you're going to have a pre-installed docking dust bag. So you have another one in there for you. And that is the contents that comes inside of your box. So you should have all 9 of those items. First thing you're going to do is attach the base by connecting it to the docking station and press until it clicks in place. Now you have your base set up for the robot to dock. Next, you're going to want to attach your power cord to the back right here and wrap around any excess cords you may have so it's not hanging on the ground. Next, you're going to want to remove the water tank, and this tank here is going to a couple of things the manufacturer recommends is to fill this up with cold to warm water. Never use hot water because it could warp or deform this tank. Fill it up to the max line. They also do not recommend any type of detergents, anything strong like dish soap or anything like that, because it could create a slippery environment for the robot and the people walking around. So you may use a mild solution, but it's an extremely mild solution. You can also press the return to dock button. Oh my goodness. Press the return to dock button. And it will return to dock for you. Once it returns to dock, you can take a look at, there you go, it'll tell you it's charging, and you can also tell it's charging based on your power doing that blinking, indicating that it is charging.